Minus 16.
Minus 16 or plus 16. 4 4 6.
Minus.
Not any, it's plus. Okay.
Plus
Yeah, it's a plus sign. Why?
minus.
We are multiplying minus. Others have to be quiet now. Okay. So we'll get here plus 16. What will we get here? Plus 16. How we can say square root of 0? Because 0 is not a square of any number, and its square root also it will be 0. Got it, students? Yes or no? Raise your hands. I want to see how many students getting it. Only raise your hands. What we are learning is square. Suppose we have to take square of any number, then we are multiplying that number by itself twice. So 4 into 4 will get here 16. But when we require the cube, that time we have to multiply this number by itself 3 times. How 3 times now? 4 4 are 16. Correct? Then multiply by 4.
Yes.
We get here 16 into 4. 16 4 the 64. And now how to write
16.
4? 4's cube. Remember, see. Okay. So like that 4 raised to 3 is equal to 64. Means 4's cube is 64. Understood everyone? Yes or no? Now I will take
Yes.
No.
Yes, sir.
here. I
Yes,
will
sir.
take square of cube of 1. Then how I will write it? 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1. Okay.
That's sir.
Be quiet. Okay. 1 multiply by 1, what will get? What will get? 1.
1.
Then remaining by 1. Now tell me 1 multiply by 1.
1.
So cube of 1 or any root. Remember this one thing. If any power of 1 will get answer only 1. Understood everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So now I am going to take some more examples about these cubes. Okay. Now we'll take cube of 7. What is cube of 7? So now everyone have to solve on their notebook. I want to see you. Okay. So I'll write here 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. Now everybody have to on your videos. On your videos, I want to see.
Sir, 3 4
1 minute. I want to see your videos. How many students are going to solve it? Is that if we'll take the positive numbers, its cube also will get the positive. Positive numbers will get positive. And suppose we are going to take negative number, then we'll get its cube is negative. How this? I'm going to show here. See it everyone. Okay. Suppose this we have seen the positive number 7 multiply by 7 like this. Then we are getting it 7 7 are 49. Then 49 into 7 we are getting it 343. Correct? It is a cube of 7. But here this 7 is the positive number. Due to that reason it's positive. But when we are going to take their negative number, suppose I have taken here minus 5. Which number? Minus 5. We want it's their cube of minus 5. How to do now? Minus 5 into minus 5 into yes. Which speaking in middle? Be quiet.
मुन्नी रहना उन्हें मैं क्या करूं?
पण काय असं पाहिजे
तो वो खेल रहा हूँ
मुळे काम आहे ना उशी
उन्हें निकालनी है
मला जायचं दुकानवर
Hey, who's speaking in middle? Now, here we have to take cube of minus 5. Cube of minus 5. So minus 5 into minus 5. Just we have seen. Let's recall. Any negative numbers, its square is always positive. Remember. Minus 5 because 5 square is a 25. Minus minus plus into minus 5. What will we get now? Multiply this. 25 into 25 into minus 5. What will you get? 25 5 is 125. But due to the negative sign, it will be there minus 125. Understood? Now see, we have to find the cube root of 64. While we are writing in the symbol, then cube root we are mentioning like this, square root sign and in 3. Okay, this is our cube root 3. Okay, sorry, cube root of 64. How to find it? Very simple. You have to make its factors. If you make its factors, see, we have to find the cube root of 64.
No, sir. No,
We have to find the cube root of 64. What we have to find? Cube root of 64. So first of all, you have to make its factors by 2. We have to find the cube root. We have to find here cube root, not its cube. So while we have to find the cube root, that time we have to first divide by 2. First number, which number we will take here? For factorization method, we will take here 2. So in 2's table, means 64, we can divide by 2. What will get here like this? 2 3s are 6. What remain here? 0. Then take here 4. Then 2 to the 4. So what will get? 0. So here we will get the answer 32. Now again here 2 is there at the unit place. We can divide this by 2. 2 1s are 2. Here 1 remain. How much? 12. 2 6 are 12. Again we can divide by 2. So 2 8s are 16. Getting it? These numbers we are dividing by 2. First we have divided this 64 by 2. We got here 32. Okay. Then again this 32 we can divide by 2. So we have divided by 2. Then we are getting here 32 divided by 2. We will get the 16. Okay. Then this 16 we can divide by 2 because it's coming in 2's table. 2 8s are 16. Now this 8 is also coming in 2's table. We can divide by 2. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Then this 4 is present in 2's table. 2 2s are 4. Now this 2 is present in 2's table at which place? 1. So until this we have to do its factorization like this. Okay. We have learned like as LCM, SCF, you have learned. Yes or no? Yeah, 5th, 6th, 7th standard, you have learned these things. How to find LCM, SCF. So that same way we are doing here. Then what will you get? 2, 2, how many times 2? 6 times. Okay. So right here, this 6 times 2. Now, how many times it was there? 6 times. Okay, so while we are finding the cube root, that time we have to take here 3 same numbers, 1 pair. Okay, so here 2 into 2, 3 times. So we'll take from this 3 1, this 2, and from this 2. So what will we get? 2 to the 4. Got it? Yes or no? Now it's easy for us divide by 2. Or if you go by 2, then also we can divide, or directly you can divide by 4 or 8. You can divide it by 4 or 8. So suppose I will take here divided by 8. Divided by 8, because I know that cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. So might be it is difficult for some students. So better than it, I would take by 2 only. Okay. Divided by 2. Now in 2 stable, 2 4s are 8. 3 0 as it is. 2 0 0 0. Okay. 4,000. Again, this 4,000 we can divide by 2. 2 to the 4. Now see, here I am going to tell you one trick. Might be you have learned that test. Okay. What is that divisibility test? 2's test, 4's test, 3's test, like this test were there. So here we are applying 2's divisibility test, which is that in that given number, at unit place, if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, like these numbers are present, then that number is divisible by 2. Which numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now here 0 is present, so we can divide by 2. We'll get 2 to the 4. This 3 0, 2 0 the 0, 0 the 0. Again we can divide by 2. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2. Again 2 0 the 0, 2 0 the 0. Okay. 1000. 1000 divided by 2. Here you will get the same. 2 5s are 10 and these 2 zeros. 500. Then once again we can divide by 2. 2 to the 4, 1 remain, here 10. 2 5s are 10 and here this 0, 250. Okay, then this 250 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. Here 2 to the 4. 1 remain 10. 2 5s are 10. Now here 5 is there. So this number is not divisible by 2. This number now we have to divide by 5. Because we know the divisibility test of 5. At the unit place, if 5 and 0 is present, then that number is divisible by 5. So here at the unit place, how much? 5 is there. Okay, then divide by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, then 25 remain. Okay, what will get? 5 5s are 25. Got it? Now again 25 is there, then we know that this 25 present in 5's table. 5 5s are 25. And here 5 1s are 5, we'll get here answer 1. Now see what we have got these numbers. 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by how many times? 6 times 2 and 3 times 5. Okay, so I am going to clear here and I will write it again. Now here we have to write this 6 times 2 were there, correct? Right here 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 3 times. This is a 4, this is a 5, this is a 6. Then multiplied by 5, 3 times we have to write there 5 and multiplied by here 5. Now 3 times is 2, here 3 times 2 and 3 times 5. So what will we get? 2. From this 3 we have to take here 1 2 and from this 5 we will get here 1 5. 2 to the 4. 4 5s are 20. So cube root of 8,000, what will get here? 20.